When we think about our ability to be productive, we want to think about distractions and work avoidance. Most of us know when we are avoiding our work, and usually it's because we kind of have that feeling of pressure, anxiety in the back of our heads that we're not doing something, and it might be a larger, more complex project as opposed to just checking emails and things like that. And so it's important to kind of understand what things may contribute to work avoidance and procrastination. And a lot of times people think and associate procrastination with laziness. But what we know in terms of psychology is that procrastination tends to be more about anxiety and perfectionism than it is laziness. We all want to do our best work. We want to accomplish important things. But when we notice that we keep avoiding something or, kind of making excuses of, oh, well, let me do this first, let me just call somebody, then we know that there's something going on emotionally. That's when you need to slow down, think about what's going on, how are you feeling, what emotions come up when you are feeling that anxiety, when you think that you're about to start the work or feel forced to start the work. And that could be anxiety and perfectionism in terms of feeling overwhelmed, which really should be a time where you lower the bar. I mean, lowering that bar, and sometimes when people do that, they feel a little bit of relief, but they still might feel overwhelmed. Well, that's an indicator you might want to lower the bar even more. What you want to do is make it easy enough for you to move into action, because action is what allows you to problem solve and learn and do your highest quality work. It's within that work that motivation increases and develops. A lot of times we want to feel like, let me just get in the perfect mood and I can be as motivated as I can, and then I'm going to start whatever it is that sounds like a big task. But what we know is that motivation comes from doing. So we want to do is, our goal is to move into action, and then we can find ourselves saying, oh, this isn't so bad. And after about 5 minutes, you might be really engrossed in your work. So that first really small period of time is really important for you to really be very self-serving, self-caring of what's going to allow you to move to that area.